Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. Chick-fil-A is closed every Sunday. Every single Sunday. While every competitor stays open 7 days a week, Chick-fil-A deliberately loses millions every Sunday for religious reasons. The result? More revenue per restaurant than McDonald's. A restaurant closed 1 day a week beats every competitor that never closes. Their nuggets are made from whole breast meat, never formed or processed, marinated in a proprietary blend for 24 hours before pressure cooking. A chain that refuses to work 1 day a week produces the nugget that every other chain is trying to copy. The original sandwich has 3 ingredients: chicken, 2 pickles, and a buttered bun. Billions of dollars built on 2 pickles. Chick-fil-A figured this out before anyone else and has never changed it. Popeyes. In 2019, Popeyes released a chicken sandwich. Within 2 weeks, every location in America had sold out. One man in Maryland was stabbed in a fight over the last sandwich. A single fast food item caused a stabbing. McDonald's, Burger King, and Wendys all panicked and rushed their own versions to market. The media called it the Chicken Sandwich Wars. All from a restaurant that failed completely in its first month and almost never reopened. Wendy's Spicy Nuggets. Wendy's introduced spicy chicken nuggets in 1983, making them one of the first fast food chains to offer a spicy nugget format. Then removed them from the menu in 2017. The internet responded with a level of sustained outrage that surprised even Wendy's own marketing team. A Twitter campaign demanding their return gained so much traction that Wendy's agreed to bring them back if a tweet received 2 million likes. It reached 2 million likes. Wendy's brought the spicy nuggets back in 2019. The campaign demonstrated that removing a beloved product creates more brand loyalty than keeping it would have generated. Wendy's accidentally discovered that threatening to take something away permanently is more powerful marketing than any advertisement they could have purchased. McDonald's Chicken McNuggets. McDonald's Chicken McNuggets were invented in 1979 by a food scientist named Roger Baker, who spent years trying to find a way to attach breading to chicken without it falling off. The solution was a batter system that locked the coating to the meat at the molecular level. McNuggets launched nationally in 1983, and within 1 year, McDonald's became the second largest chicken purchaser in the United States. The 4 shapes, bell, boot, ball, and bone, are not random. They were designed specifically to cook evenly from frozen because uniform thickness across different shapes ensures consistent internal temperature. A food scientist's molecular bonding solution changed how the world eats chicken forever. Every chicken nugget sold anywhere on Earth traces its existence back to Roger Baker's laboratory in 1979. KFC Original Recipe Strips. Harlan Sanders did not invent fried chicken. He invented a system for cooking it consistently at scale and franchised that system around the world. The original recipe contains 11 herbs and spices and has been kept in a physical vault at KFC headquarters in Louisville, Kentucky since 1940. Only 2 KFC executives know the complete recipe at any given time, and they are not permitted to travel together in case of accidents. The recipe has never been publicly confirmed, despite multiple alleged leaks over the decades. KFC's chicken strips apply the original recipe coating to a boneless format that outsells the bone-in chicken in most markets globally. A secret recipe locked in a vault and protected like national security intelligence is the most effective marketing strategy in fast food history. Raising Cane's Chicken Fingers. Raising Cane's opened its first location in Baton Rouge, Louisiana in 1996 with a menu so simple it seemed like a mistake. Chicken fingers, crinkle-cut fries, coleslaw, Texas toast, 1 sauce. That is the entire menu. The founder, Todd Graves, was rejected by every business school he applied to and every bank he approached for a loan. He raised the startup capital by working on a fishing vessel in Alaska. Raising Cane's now operates over 800 locations and generates more revenue per location than almost every other fast food chain in America. The Cane's sauce has generated more obsessive fan speculation than almost any other condiment in fast food. A menu with essentially 1 item built a billion-dollar company.